Look at this workflow. Each node you see here does one specific job, and when you connect them, you can create full image and video workflows that work exactly the way you want. This is Freepik Spaces, a visual, node-based workflow builder inside Freepik's AI suite that allows you to combine images, videos, text, AI assistants, and enhancement tools into structured creative pipelines. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to build one step by step so that you skip the AI slop and create visual assets that actually make a difference. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. So let's get started. To build a simple workflow, I'm creating a new space. The first step is uploading media, so I'm adding an animated image of a boy and his cat. Now, this part is important. You'll notice a small image icon on the top right of the image node. Click, hold, and drag it to the side. This is how you decide what you want to do next with that image. I'm using it as a reference and making some changes to it. I want to replace the background with clouds and sunlight. From here, you select the model, for example, the Nano Banana Pro, then choose the aspect ratio and resolution. There's also a settings icon where you can adjust the style or even add a character if you want. You can also choose how many image variations you want to generate. Once that's set, click the play button to run the image generator. It took about a minute, and this is the result. The output looks smooth and it clearly respects the reference image. Next, let's turn this into a video. Again, hold and drag the node and connect it to the video generator. You can add a prompt to describe what you want in the video or leave it blank. Just make sure to select a video model. I went with Kling 2.1. Video generation takes a bit longer than images. The image took around 40 seconds, while the video took about a minute. The result looks good overall, but the boy's lip sync feels slightly off, which is worth keeping in mind. Now here's an interesting part. You can also use the AI assistant. For example, if I want to generate a similar video and need a detailed prompt, I can connect the node to the AI assistant and ask it to write that prompt for me. It takes a little time, but once it's done, I connect that output to the video generator, hit run, and wait for the result. I did run into a generation error at first, but switching the model fixed it. And this is the video it produced. The details are surprisingly close to the original. Of course, it can't recreate the exact same video, but it does a solid job generating something very similar. Lastly, there's the image upscaler. I tested both creative and precision modes, and both noticeably improved the image quality. One of the best things about Freepik Spaces is how cleanly it handles workflows. You can zoom in and out using the controls in the bottom right corner, select the entire project, and group it together. There's also an arrange option that automatically organizes all your images and videos in sequence, keeping the workspace tidy. You can duplicate the entire project, change the group color, and even download the whole workflow as a zip file. You can name the group, rename the entire space, and share it with a simple link. There's also a comment tool on the left, so you can click anywhere and leave notes. It makes organizing, revisiting, and collaborating on projects really smooth. If you want an easier starting point, templates make the process much simpler. Go back to the interface and open the templates section. Let's try the first one, turning casual photos into studio shorts. Inside the template, the entire workflow is already set up for you. Just click Use Template and follow the on-screen steps. It starts by asking you to upload a product image. Then there's an assistant node you run to generate a scene description for the product. After that, you move to the image generator, select the aspect ratio and AI model, and click Run. Once the first image is generated, you simply run the next image generator nodes. These are already configured to create variations with different camera angles. There's also a grouped section for resizing and animating your images. As long as you follow the instructions shown in the workspace, the template guides you through everything and helps you get the most out of the tool. Now, let's quickly talk about pricing. You can create 3 spaces in the free plan to explore and understand how things work. The Essential plan starts at $9 per month, and you can get pricing in your home currency too. To wrap this up, Freepik Spaces is a solid node-based workflow tool that lets you build structured image and video pipelines with real control. Yes, there's a bit of a learning curve at the start, but once you understand how nodes connect and how data flows through a workflow, it becomes extremely flexible. So try out Freepik Spaces using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.